Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats and welcome to my channel. I have some lights, y'all. This is how they come packaged from the company Olafus. O-L-A-F-U-S. You find these on Amazon, and this is a pack of 16 lights. So they have several different styles. They have, different colors. I got the multicolor pack. So these are called fairy lights. So there's 16 in here. They're battery operated, so they're mini lights, and they are waterproof. So let's see what they look like. I did cut the tape on it. Well, maybe on this side, maybe on the other side. It's a really nice plastic container, and it came nicely packaged from Amazon. And when you open it, I already had it open, so I don't know why I closed it back. Oh my goodness, y'all. Okay, because I wanted to look at it. So this is what it looks like, okay? And you can see there are two in each package here. And I have the multicolor, and this is, I don't even know if you're, let's see, this is a wire. And then I don't know if you're gonna be able to see how tiny these lights are. They're very, very tiny. And this wire wraps around. I'll have to figure that out. Okay, that's the end of it. I might have to, okay, here we go. So this is quite long. I think they're 7 feet long each. See, look at that. Look at how much you've got to work with, and that's all, it's like, it's wire. So that'll stretch quite far, y'all. And then how you activate it is you pull the tab. So you pull the tab, and then there is this little on-off switch here. So let's see if I can hold it up and we can see. Okay, oh yeah, you can see that, good. These are like a white. They have a whole package of white, a whole package of orange, a whole package of yellow, like that. Different ones to pick from. Like I said, I chose the multi, so I'll show you a couple of others. But what you can use these for anything, any kind of decorating. I can hang them back there, and then I just would turn it off each time I want to, when I'm not filming or whatever. But you can use this to decorate for Christmas, for any holiday, for Halloween. I brought a couple things out to show you. I have this beautiful jar. I just got this at the Dollar Tree. Well, maybe it was a Dollar General, but it's a leaf on there, so that's a fall glass, beautiful green glass, and you can put this in, and it's going to look like fairy lights in the glass. I hope you're going to be able to see it through the green. I did not test it because I'm just showing you this as we go. I do have some other things to show you though, but you can have things displayed on your mantle or your bookcase. Okay, let's see. Let's turn it on, and here. So you see how it lights up the glass? So pretty. So you could put the whole thing in there, or you could have a bigger jar. I did bring a mason jar to show you how that would look. If you did a lot of decorating, you could put, how kids like their fireflies, that's what it looks like. And you can put the whole thing in here and put that to the bottom and cover it with some greenery or whatever. My ring light is, let me just turn the ring light off so you can see it better maybe. But see how pretty that is? Now that's just, with no decoration at all going on. And like I said, this little white thing you can put under, or even when doing all your decorating, you could have it hang out of the jar and put it, to the back of your display or whatever the case may be. I have this beautiful wax church that Laura the Bargain Hunter sent me at Christmas time. I think it was Christmas. It might have been my birthday, which is right at Christmas anyway. But you can put this on your coffee table and then put these around, and with greenery and things like that, and just decorate, your village and that kind of thing. And let me turn this one off and let's grab another one and see if I can. I'm not sure what color is what, so let's take one from over this. How about this one, just to see if it's a different color. And I won't unwind it or anything because that'll take too long, but we'll pull the tab. If you can see, there's a little plastic tab. I don't know that you'll be able to see that. But you pull that to activate the battery that's already in there. They come with the battery. And then, oh, these are blue. How pretty, y'all. So, you know, I could try to undo it. These are, it says ideal for any kind of DIY. This pack has 4 different colors. Then they are 7-foot bendable and flexible silvery copper wire. So there's 2 in white, 2 in blue, 2 in purple, and 2 in orange. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, well, 8. Well, there must be 4 of each. 2 times each, I think, because there's actually 16 lights in here. So you start to undo it this way, then there's the end there. And, you know, so they're bendable, so they can go any which way. And they're waterproof. I think I already said that, but just to reiterate that. They're very reasonable, too. Very reasonable. The single sets, where you have a single color, are a little less expensive than the multi-color set. And anyway, it'll take too long for me to unravel that, but I just want to show you what it looks like in the mason jar. And, you know, if you're a decorator, these are going to be fantastic. I don't even know if you'll be able to, I can see there, maybe against my dark shirt, you might see it. There's just these little pieces of little tiny like plastic beads every so often. And it is tangled up a little bit there because I didn't take the time to do it, but let's just see how that looks in the mason jar. See how pretty that is with the blue? That's beautiful. So they're very, very pretty. And like I said, this is the multi-pack. So, and I brought a pumpkin out to show you. That works probably better with the white light, or with, if there's orange. I forgot now what colors I told you. There's purple and yellow or orange. But again, you know, you're on your display, you put this, wrap this around your display, and you have it. Look at how pretty it is with a pumpkin. I mean, they're just beautiful, and they look like fairy lights. They're glowing. So I just thought they were so pretty, and the company, Olafus, Olafus, they asked me to show this to y'all, and I just thought they were like, yeah, they have this company has all kinds of lighting, and this was just what I was attracted to. So I said, yes, please, to this. They had several that I could choose from, and I thought this would be more my cup of tea because I can decorate with them. And like I said, I can maybe hang this behind me. I'll do that here soon. And, you know, it'll take a little work because it's wire, so you can bend it to match, to go which way you want it to. So I got the 2 of them I have tangled right now. So anyway, there are 3, 6, 8. Yeah, there's 2 of each, and there are 4 different colors, I believe, in this one. So thanks for stopping by. I'll have the link for them below. I don't get anything for it if you use it, but if it's something that you're interested in, I think it's a great deal. So, and then, always look, when you're on Amazon, always look for those coupons that they have. They have where you can click it to get 5% off or $1 or $2 off. Always look for that when you're shopping on Amazon. Thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings.